Hello guys, this is Web Development Help and this is your instructor Mohammed Manari, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to install node.js and test it. So we go here to node.js.org. Just type this in your browser and click enter. So you'll be directed by default to this page, and where you see here, just click on this, which is recommended for most users. Click save file. So I'm gonna just save it here in downloads. So we wait for it. So guys, yeah, we are going to run a command at the end to make sure it's working. That way you know how it is installed. We execute it. So guys, you won't see this because I already installed node.js, so just execute it and follow the instructions. Okay, I already installed this, that's why I'm getting this. So after you install it, open your cmd and run node-v. If you see this version 12.16.1 or anything else that starts with V, or anything that is different, that command not found, as long as you see something there, then it's working. For example, if you see something like this is not recognized or not found or something, then it's not working. That's it. Peace.